Hey there! Welcome to Ballybunion. The Ballybunion is a coastal town and seaside resort in County Kerry, Ireland, on the Wild Atlantic Way, 15 km from the town of Listowel. As of 2022 census, Ballybunion had a population of 1,618. The history. Evidence of ancient settlement in the area includes Promontory Fort and Ring Fort sites in the townlands of Ballybunion in Doon West. Ballybunion Castle was built in the early 16th century on the site of an earlier Promontory Fort by the Fitzmaurice family. It was destroyed by the Lord Carey in 1582. The castle was associated with the Bonyans family until the late 16th century, when William Og Bonyan's lands were confiscated following the Desmond Rebellion. The castle has been a protected national monument since the 1920s. A number of buildings within the town itself date to the 19th century, with the former Church of Ireland, now is a public library, and the Roman Catholic Church dating to 1879 and 1897 respectively. Ballybunion Golf Club was founded in 1893 and was previously ranked at number 7 in Golf Digest. 100 best courses outside the USA. There are two courses, the Old Course and the Cashin Course, both situated beside the beach. The club hosted the Murphy's Irish Open in 2000 and the Palmer Cup in 2004. Located on Sandhill Road, the club has the largest, most formidable sand dunes in Ireland. Notable holes on the Old Course include the par 3 7th hole known as Watson's, named after Tom Watson, who famously played the course during the 1981 Irish Open. Other notable professional golfers who have played the Old Course include Tiger Woods, Ronnie McIlroy, and Ian Baker Finch. There have been other notable guests that have played them, including in 2001, the late astronaut Neil Armstrong. The Bill Clinton statue, a statue of town commemorates a golfing visit in 1998 by the U.S. President Bill Clinton. The Gaelic football, the local Gaelic football team, Bale GAA Club, is named for a small townland a couple of miles up the coast from Ballybunion, founded in 1972. The club's colors are green and red. It fields teams in competitions organized by the North Kerry Football Board. The club's grounds at Stock Park are situated on Sandhill Road. This floodlight pitch provides training and matches for several divisions of players, include under 8 or 10s junior and senior, as well as ladies football. The Health and Leisure Ballybunion Center opened in 2007 and is situated on Kit Ahern Road. So, for further reading, Holy Land, Dani 2011, Ballybunion, an illustrated history press. Enjoy watching as I end this video record or voice record here. Me and my friends are enjoy the place, and we are grateful and thankful that we are here in Ireland working and living our good life. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Mayo na lang regali. Gusto ba na picture? Oo, nami ito. Kito mo gitong taas. May mga stone dito. Dahil ang buot yan. Wala ka namin. Sandaan mo ha. Hindi abi mo lang na, pero pag Daan ta lang ka video.